Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a scratch game, and let's start. So first, the name of the game that we're going to create is called Ping Pong. So this is how it starts. First, let's delete this sprite that is here, yes, and then go to add sprite and search for paddle. You'll see it here, click on it, and then go there and add a ball. It's already here, down here. Press it and then go back there and search for line. You see this red line here. So first, let's position it. This line should be down here. This should be here, and this ball will be here. So let's set our backdrop. It can be anything, but I want to use the neon tunnel. Yeah, let me just drag this a little down. Good. So let's start coding for the paddle. So go to events and drag in the when green flag clicked block, and then go to controls and break out the forever loop, and go to motion and scroll down until you see set X to and then go to sensing and scroll down until you see mouse X, which is here. Bring it and put it inside here, and that's all the coding for the paddle. Let's go to the ball. Okay, so for the ball, we are going to start with when green flag clicked. Go to motion, search for point in direction 90, replace the 90 with 45, and then go to control and break out the forever loop, and go to motion and break out move 10 steps, replace the 10 with 15, and scroll down until you see if on edge bounce. This will make the ball bounce while it's on the edge of the screen. That's script 1 done for the ball. Let's go to script 2. Break out the when green flag clicked again, and go to control, bring out the forever loop, and break out the if then loop, and then go to sensing and bring in touching mouse pointer and put it in between the if and the then. Click on the mouse pointer and put paddle. So if the ball touches the paddle, it will bounce. So let's do that. First, let's make a variable. We will name it score for all sprites, and press OK, and then change my variable by 1, replace my variable with score, and then go to motion and turn right by 180 degrees, replace 15 180 degrees, and then bring in move 10 steps, replace the 10 with 15, and then go to control and you bring this wait 1 second, replace the 1 second with 0.5, and then for the last script, go to events, bring in the green flag clicked, and go to variables and set my variable to 0, and tap my variable to change it to score. And that's it for the ball. You can change the score if you want the starting score to be 5 or anything, and then you can also change the point system here if you want the points to increase by 1 or by 5. I'll set by 5 or anything. Okay, and then let's go to the lines code. For the line, go to events and bring in the when green flag clicked, and go to controls, bring out the forever loop and the if then loop, and go to sensing and bring in touching mouse pointer, and replace the mouse pointer with the ball, and go to control and scroll down till you see stop all. That will make the ball, when the ball is touched by the line, and then that will stop all. For like this we are done coding, so let's try it out. And so remember that the paddle will follow your mouse. So press the green flag, you see it. Okay, wherever your mouse goes to, the paddle will follow it. That's for that mouse X, and you see the score is changing by 5, and you see when the ball hit the line, it stopped all. So if you want to continue, press green flag, you press the green flag, and then that's how you make a game in Scratch. Don't forget to like and subscribe.